Breaking into investment banking, the Warren Fox Group. Course breakdown. This course is broken down into 3 classes. Class 1, Introduction, Class 2, Networking, and Class 3, Interviewing. Class breakdown. During this class, the Warren Fox Group will cover the below topics. The basics of investment banking, the day-to-day responsibilities of an investment banker, important skill sets to become a successful investment banker, keys to success in the industry, why someone should consider entering investment banking, and the overall view on industry culture. Lesson 1, the basics of investment banking. Breaking into investment banking. This is lesson 1 of class 1. In this lesson, we will provide a high-level overview of industry basics and discuss the practice of investment banking, the capital markets, and the reasons to engage in investment bank. What is investment banking? An investment bank is a third-party institution that acts as an intermediary between its clients and the capital markets. An investment bank is engaged when a client needs advisory services during a capital markets process. Investment banks represent institutional clients in the capital markets. Institutional clients are typically business entities, as opposed to individual retail clients. Investment banks advise clients during a capital markets process that, if successful, results in an executed transaction between a buyer and a seller. What are the capital markets? Capital markets is a marketplace that facilitates the exchange of capital between participants who supply and demand capital. The participants of a capital markets transaction include suppliers of capital, who are typically investors, buyers, or creditors, and the demanders of capital, who are businesses or entities that demand capital to continue or expand productive activities. Structure of a capital markets transaction. What is traded in the capital markets? In its simplest form, the capital markets allows investors to provide capital to businesses. Capital is provided in exchange for a financial product that offers exposure to a productive activity. Investors, or providers of capital, need to deploy capital for return purposes. This return can either be financial, strategic, or a combination of both. Businesses, or demanders of capital, use capital to either continue or expand a productive activity. What is a financial product? A financial product can either be an equity instrument, a debt instrument, or a combination of both. Investment bankers help clients determine the structure, quantum, and pricing of the financial product. Who are investment banking clients? Investment bankers are third-party capital markets advisors. Investment bankers advise clients who are seeking guidance during a capital markets transaction. Investment bankers can advise clients on either side of the transaction, supporting either the buyer or the seller. Buy-side advisory. This supports the purchase of a financial product in the capital markets. Sell-side advisory, on the other hand, supports the sale of a financial product in the capital markets. Why are investment banks hired? Investment bankers are hired for their expert transactional advisory and for their exposure to their network base. In addition, investment bankers are also hired for external representation and resource allocation and labor specialization. With respect to external representation, the bank provides clients with verification during the underwriting process and anonymity during the outreach process. With respect to resource allocation and labor specialization, a capital markets process is complicated and time-consuming. Therefore, the investment bankers will help the client by allowing specialization between the capital markets process and business execution. Investors highly scrutinize near-term business projections. Therefore, the business operators or the client needs to focus all efforts on execution and not on the sales process. Thank you for tuning into this lesson. and we look forward to seeing you during the next lesson, which will cover the day-to-day responsibilities of an investment banker.